Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an IPSY unboxing. I already opened this box and I know what all products are there in the box. The reason being is because this time I got some of the product which I was supposed to use before applying makeup and film this video. So I opened it and I saw it. I tried that product. I can give you the final honest opinion on these products, whether this bag is worth for the month of March. Let's just give it a second to my hair. I spent like almost 2 hours in doing my hair today. How does it look? So I recently just filmed a video wherein I am telling you guys, I'm sharing my tricks and techniques of how to curl your hair with a hair straightener. I just had it here. I think I kept it back in the closet, but yes, how to curl your hair with the hair straightener. I know one of the video I filmed it years ago and I think I needed an updated one now, and I have just recently purchased a new, not purchased, but it was a beautiful iron being sent to me by the company called Duel. So I was really excited to try that on. I also have a straightening video and a review video on that particular item on my channel. Don't forget to check it out, and the curling thing is coming up soon. Don't forget to click on the bell button and that will notify you when I will upload my videos. Okay, coming back to the unboxing part. So as I said, it is already open. I know what all products are there. Some of the products I already have used to give you guys the honest opinion, but some of the products are still sealed, so I have to open and let you guys know. So first, let's talk about the card. Let's talk about the bag actually. The bag, summary, black and white, nothing. I'm really not a big fan of IPSY being sending these bags because I already have so many I've collected. Once again, I have a big collection of these IPSY bags. If you guys want it, let me know. I'm gonna send it over to you guys free of charge. Great IPSY March 2018. I don't really understand. It makes me feel like maybe they are inspired with Indian festival called Holi because it has so many colors. So maybe they are inspired with the IPSY, the Holi festival, which we Indians celebrate in the month of March. Moving on with the product. The first one I already have used. It's open. And this is a beauty blender or whatever sponge you can call. And my honest opinion on this one is I don't like it. I dump it in the running water, tap water, and it doesn't grow, first thing, and the quality is really cheap. It's really hard, and when you are bouncing it on your skin, it's not at all soft as compared to the beauty blender. As you can see, the beauty blender is so soft, and this one has a lot of hardness to it, so it's not really a good product. So I give it a pass for this month and not really happy of IPSY sending me this product, which is like cheap quality and not at all good to have it in a bag. Next up of IPSY comes to this tube, which is called Truphora. It's Sephora's twin sister maybe. Truphora. It's a triple action exfoliator. So yes, this is the one which I already used. As soon as I get out of the shower, I use this product, and let me tell you guys, in the morning I was having really a bad skin day because my entire skin was really dry. It's really cold outside, so we have to keep our heaters on 24/7, and because of that humidity, my skin was worse. So I used this after the shower and I was amazed. First thing, dryness and patchiness was actually taken care of by this product, and this is really nice. My skin felt really smooth, soft, like a baby bump. So it was nice. So in all, I'm not sure what exactly are the ingredients which have been incorporated in making this product, but I really like the after effect or the results of this product after using it. So I definitely recommend to you guys. I will let you know what the full size product is going to cost, but this is a travel size and usually they don't have the pricing of travel size on the website. So Yes, if you want to know the pricing of the full size item, do check out the description box. Moving on to the next product. The next product is another tube just like this. It's called Labotoka Transforming Liquid Foil Mask. It's a mask. I haven't used it because obviously I have to remove the makeup and everything, and maybe when I'm going to bed, just before going to the bed, I probably might apply this tonight. As I said, I still have to apply it and wait for the results, but I can maybe give a trial at the back of my hand and show you guys like how I feel like when I'm applying it at the back. It more looks like a moisturizer. It's not really a mask, but I don't know. Sometimes they call it mask, sometimes they call it moisturizer. So it's a lot of, oh, it's really thick. What's going on? It's so sticky. Oh my god, it's really sticky. And when I am kind of rubbing it at the back of my hand, it is forming like this cluttering substance right here. Hi guys, so I did decide to put this mask on my face. I'm sorry, I can't really talk much because this is really tight. It's making my skin super tight right now. And also, as you can see, it feels like I have tons and tons of highlighter packed on my face. But it didn't really say much about direction. After cleansing and drying face, spread appropriate amount of evenly over the face, leave it for 15-20 minutes. So I have it on for round or about 7 to 8 minutes now. Guys, I just realized that it's actually a peel of a mask, so I did apply one more layer to make it a little thicker so that I can peel it off comfortably. But the thin layer, as you can see, it's really difficult to take it out because it kind of broken apart. Been 20-25 minutes now. Let me try to take it out and see if it can come out. So peeling off is, oh, it's not painful. It's kind of easily. So just make sure that you are putting a really thick layer of this mask if you want to peel it off. God, it's counting here. Yeah, okay. So after taking this mask off, guys, I really feel that my skin has gone soft. Also, I can feel the tightness in my skin. And let me get close. As you can see, the pores are not so visible anymore. Not too much. I mean, they're still there, but not too much. And the skin looks good. As far as the glow is concerned, yes, if I go a little back and if the light is striking on my face, definitely the glow is there. Maybe I have to moisturize. Let me moisturize a little bit because I feel a lot of tightness in my face. I would say it's moderate when it comes to glow, but the skin has gone really tight and I am loving the after effect of the mask. The next product are sketch pens. So I got crayons this month. Oh my god, is this for my kids? Okay, so these are the two colors I got, blue and pink. IPSY Create. What is it? Oh, are these literally like sketch pens? Is this lipstick? Is it lipstick? I'm not sure. I don't know what is this. They actually smells like marker pens. Okay, let me. These are markers. Yay! Ew! Thank God I didn't apply them on my face. These are the board markers. Yes.
Some marker for the face?
I don't know. Just now recently checked the website and I realized that they actually send me 6 products this month. So these are actually just complimentary in the bag. I am not sure what's the reason behind because it didn't say anything on the, not even on the website. So what exactly they have been so generous to send us these markers, but these are actually markers and these are not the part of the bag. This is just to make you happy. to give you some extra. The fourth one is this mascara, and I just now I'm wearing this mascara on my eyelashes right now. Not really a big fan of mascaras because I found my mascara I'm in love with. As I was saying, that I'm not really a big fan of this mascara. Reason being is because I'm still in love with my bad girl in mascara from Benefits, and the second most loved mascara of my life is the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. So those are the two mascaras. It's really hard to get into the competition with those two mascaras. So this one is actually once again a pass, and I'm actually receiving a lot of mascaras, a lot of creams and stuff like that in my bags from IPSY. So I maybe have to re-quiz my likings and my style again on the website. So I'm gonna do it soon so that I can receive some different kind of products starting next month on. Moving on to the next product, the last and the final product which I have in the bag is something like this. It's an eyeshadow, and this one is from the Freematic eyeshadow. Okay, I think I do have a color already with me like this. They sent me earlier. As I said, it's been a long time. I haven't revised the quiz. I maybe have to go back and revise the quiz once again so that I can receive at least different kind of product and not receiving the same kind of product again and again every month. So yeah, this one is actually, I am not planning to open this thing up because I already have this. So I might arrange it, this is going to be in a donation box or a giveaway box for you guys. So stay tuned. I am coming with a giveaway very soon. Click on the bell button. So conclusion. Conclusion is that I am not really a big fan of March 2018 IPSY glam bag. Reason being is because I really don't like the product, and it's not their mistake. I think it's my mistake that I haven't revised my stuff that I am supposed to do. Maybe every 3 months or something like that. I should always go on the website and check out and revise my quiz. See, this is not really a worth of my $10. And I'll just give it a pass to all of these products, and I just hope that next month I'll get something really exciting, and I will be sharing with you guys once again in the next month IPSY unboxing video. So stay tuned for that as well. With that, I am done with IPSY unboxing for the month of March 2018. I'll see you in the next video. Until we meet next, it's me, Savvy, signing out, saying bye and ciao.